Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Gonna take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now this case is made by Evutec. Let's go ahead and get started. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Evutec compatible with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Nylon cases for the S20 Ultra, heavy duty with free vent mount. All right, this is the black version. Now you get for $26.99. And you can save an extra 15% with this coupon right here. I'm not sure how long that's gonna last, but it's there right now. At the website for Evutec is $29. So you can save a little money going by Amazon and using this coupon as well. So we're gonna take the case out and see if it's worth getting, all right? All right, so here's the box it comes in. It's packaged pretty nicely. Vent mount included. There's a picture of it on the back right there. Vent mount in the case right here. Materials since 2012, they've been in business. And more than just plastic. All right, so the nylon, they say, is pretty good. Now that's how you open the case up. Let's go ahead and pull this out. All right, so we got the case out of the box. You see you have the vent mount right here inside, and it's magnetic, and the case has a magnet inside as well. This is how you set it up. Push that in there. This goes into your vent right here, and you slide it on. It's pretty nice. This is the other piece that goes into the vent right here. Yeah, so, but this is the case right here. Case is not as thin as I thought it was going to be. Not real bulky, but it's going to give you there's more protection than I thought. It's a ballistic case. So you see inside here, you got these little ridges for shock absorption. So that's pretty good. It's TPU size. Got ridges on the side for grip, and the nylon is provides a little grip as well. You got a camera area right here that's raised up, so that should be pretty good. Open it for the mic hole right there. Speaker, charging port, and your mic hole right there. Evutec branding right there. And you got your power button, volume up and down rocker right there. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the case inside and see what it looks like. All right, so here's the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Let's go ahead and slip it inside and see where it fits. So it's a good snug fit. Not moving around when I'm squeezing. I always feel for that. A little bit of a lip there, not too much, not too intrusive. The camera is protected, so it's raised up, so it comes above the camera, as you can see. Everything lines up. You can see the hole right, the mic hole right there. It's a little small, but you can still see it. Speaker, charging port, mic hole lines up right there, and the volume button. Everything works nice and smooth. It's a soft touch there. So it's a soft case, but it's got this nylon detail on the back, which looks good and feels good as well. It does feel good in the hand. So if you're looking for something that's going to give you some protection but not too bulky, this is going to be good for you. Okay, let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, so here's the wireless charger. Let's put this on and see how it works. Now this got a magnet in the back, so that might prevent it from charging wirelessly. Now it picked it up. So I had to set it a certain way. Maybe I didn't have it all the way on there, but it did pick up the wireless charge, so it's charging. Let's try it again. Okay, so it picked up wireless charge. Or it does wireless charge, no problem. Okay, so this is the magnetic clip that you use to hold the phone when you put it inside your vehicle. So these two openings right here, you line it up with this, and you slide this in and slide it up. And it slides in there pretty well, all right? And this is a rubbery area right here. You slide that onto your vent, so it'll protect your vent as well. So you got 4. You can do it this way, or you can do it up and down, vertical. And then the device magnetically stays on. So as long as you're not bumping around, so it did slip off there. But if your car's not bumpy, if you don't have a low rider where you're bumping, you should be all right. All right. But it's good magnet. Okay. I like it. It's pretty good. Now notice that when you place the magnet, it's strongest in this area right here, right underneath the camera. So getting that there, it's going to, but you can, it'll stick here as well, but it's strongest right up in here. All right. Okay, so that was a quick look at the ballistic nylon case and magnetic clip for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. It's a pretty nice case. If you got any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.